Hello my friends, welcome to Intense Memory channel, and today I would like to share with you a tutorial how I decorated the album, which will have name Gentleman or Vintage Man. For decoration that album I use a collection from the decor scrapbook Gentleman. Then I use Vintage Man from a Craft and U Design, it's Polish company, and also I use next Polish company Laserove and collection have name Vintage Gentleman. I would like to sometimes do albums for men, because in my family I have a son and two grandsons, so it's necessary to make memory for them also. So let's go to do. And before I start to do that tutorial, I ask you to click on the subscribe and also bell, let you know about my new video. So let's go to work. The album already have decorated binding and a back cover, and first cover I will decorate with things I already prepare. So that is from Vintage Gentleman paper, and that tags is from Vintage Man, and that card I just find in my storage, and I fussy cut that card. Album have 26 by 21 centimeters, and binding have 26 by 5.5 centimeters. On the cover, first I let do around the paper, design paper. I use already VersaFine black one, and I distress all that edges. And now to glue I use the glue, oops, and go around to really make stick. Also the edges, and sometimes the double tape through the edges get dry, so it's better if we support all this with glue. That is my experience. I do scrapbooking from 2003, and my albums go around the world from America to Slovakia, then to Switzerland, then some to Abu Dhabi. So I have experienced some double tapes get dry and paper go out. So now I did few things like fussy cut and glue them on the black paper because basic is from black, and I was thinking I will do pocket, and inside the pocket I put these tags, this and this beautiful tags. Also on big shot I fussy cut that circles to make nicer everything, and I fussy cut from this collection Vintage Man from Laserove Love this sign, and that will be on the top. So let's go to glue this pocket. I have to try on some thing, doesn't go. Okay, so if it doesn't go, we help, it's that pin. Okay, and now it have to go, and I put glue only on the L corners, and I help with my finger. I put too much glue, so I a little bit swipe this. Okay, and now I glue that here. That album also can be for my son because he cooperated with company who use balloons, and this Vintage Man I want to put like this. And where is the car? It will be here. Now the Vintage Man will be full on that pocket, but vintage just here. Also, when I cut that letters, that word man and vintage, I glue black paper and cut again to make more heavy to keep that, and also that man will be neat, so I just go around here and glue him. Okay, so now we have all decoration. I always try to decorate my covers a little bit less, because when we put the album to bookcase, usually that crash. So now look at that beautiful images, that lamp, car and man. So, and here with white pen we can write some message for who that will be, that album. Same here. And that small with all things what Vintage Man need. Watches, boots, perfume, some shawl or something. So that's all what I want to show you. I know it's not very long and details, but I just want to give you some idea, so I hope you like it. And next video will be what album save. It's a really beautiful album, so let's come again and see what I did. Thank you very much to visit my channel. If you not did subscribe, please subscribe my channel and bell let you know about my new video. Thank you. Bye bye guys.